maturity, and heart conditions. Tonight, we are honoring Lakeisha for her bravery during an incident that occurred last October. While attending her son's high school baseball game, Lakeisha sprung into action to perform life-saving CPR to the umpire, Rudy, who had a heart attack while calling the game. Thanks to Lakeisha, Rudy has made Lakeisha time to take a bow.
Nandito kami ngayon sa sa Dodger Stadium baseball. So, akay-akay na naman ako nila kasi iba talaga pag puro lalaki yung kasama mo sa bahay, no? Talagang makakapanood ka rin. Actually, hindi ako masyadong nag-i-enjoy actually sa sa baseball. Kaso lang kailangan pumunta kasi nga ayan ayan. Yung tatlong dinosaurs.
Budweiser is a proud supporter of
Kain ako ng hotdog.
Budweiser's mission is to support Budweiser to Bolt Blender and to the families of our American heroes.
Okay.
I think they're like that. Let's go making the flag.
Makain sila ng popcorn. It's Military Appreciation Night tonight. It's the U.S. Army.
The U.S. Air Force, represented by airmen from the 412th Tennessee at Edwards Air Force Base and the 369th Recruiting Squadron out of Encino, California.
Right. See?
During his time overseas, he had terrorism. His naval service may be over, but he continues to serve in the city he loves.